All right, TikTok, here's another one for you. This 1987 Ford F-250 chassis came in to get blasted, epoxy primed and painted. In this clip here, I'm going to be doing some blasting. Here's a clip after it was all blasted. In this clip here, I'm applying the epoxy primer. Here's a picture after it was all primed. In this clip here, I'm applying the top coat. I use Imron Industrial Paint. Here's a clip of the final product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, give me a follow. And if you're from the New England area and you need your truck frame cleaned up like this, reach out to me and I'll get back to you.